Almost another season down, man. Been knocking them out. Been getting it in. Still didn't do my numbers, but I learned a ton this year. Trust me.
Start smoking.
Subscribers. All subscribers who ain't been here yet, welcome to Boneyard Lawn Service. And you already cut it. And will it be the last one of the season? We don't know. But we're gonna get it knocked down. As you guys know, this one is one I've been battling with for the whole season. I'll show you what it looks like. Somebody tried to steal my customer and decided they wasn't gonna do the whole job. So back here, got to clean it up. So the next cut I come through, it won't look like this. But it looks like, to me, like I got this thing calmed down. I don't know. Looks like I got it calmed down though, fellas. So we weeded this thing down and get to the rest of it. So fellas, drop my dang thing. This is the second Darwin I done broke this season, man. Golly, just snapped off, but gotta get the job done, man. Shoot. You see how it look. That's probably the best I maintained that thing since I've been cutting it the last 2 years. So pretty PO'd about this Darwin grip, man. Broke one earlier this year on the same freaking trimmer. And as you can see, I just got a new, just had to put a new head on there. Part of it, man. Now, I did not like cutting without that Darwin. I went on ahead and did it just so I could see if I could tell the difference. And yeah, big difference. Big difference. We get this thing finished. Almost another season down, man. Been knocking them out. Been getting it in. Still didn't do my numbers, but I learned a ton this year. Trust me. Well, guys, let me tell you something. I did real good my first year. Did real good my second year. This year, I was way short of my numbers. Way short. But the thing is, I got rid of a lot of headaches to make room for a lot of good blessings, I feel like. Had a lot of people I just had to get rid of, man, and as far as my payment process and everything, I'm gonna change it out. My numbers, I believe I got my numbers right. And man, I'm ready to go now. So, I mean, this is all part of it, man. When I first jumped out here, it's like trying to go into the weight room to lift 265 and you can't even get the bar. And you're planning on lifting 245, 265 the next week. It ain't gonna happen. You gotta work your way up. And then for you to work your way up, it might be some years. So, this year, man, I'll tell you, I fell short of my numbers, but I learned a ton, man. I learned how to deal with customers. I learned what I need to do to market better. And I learned myself more. So if you can't manage yourself, you're never gonna be able to manage or run a business. I'll tell you that. It ain't just like what people think. You just get out here and go. It's time management, money management, life management. It's a lot that goes into it. And the one thing I can say is don't give up. When I first started, man, I know I had a ton of people probably saying, it's just something he's trying to do again. I've always been a guy that, you know, took my own chances on things. And I ran a couple businesses. This is my first one officially on papers, but I've ran a couple businesses. And I know that a lot of people is probably like, man, he's gonna just start this thing and it'll be something he's just doing. But man, nah. I believe I figured it out now. Next year I plan on having an employee, be able to pay him well, pay myself well, pay the business well. And it all comes down to just listening and learning. I've learned a ton from a lot of the guys on YouTube this year. Ton, man. I want to thank every last one of them. So many channels out there, man. I just don't want to single nobody. I don't want to leave nobody out, man. There's tons of them. If you ever want to start this type of business, man, there's tons of guys you can listen to. And I've never seen one turn me wrong as far as when it comes to YouTube learning. So, broke that dang Darwin grip. I broke 2 of them this year. But it's all good. So, guys, I'm about to go take a little break before I go get my son from his after school program. Back his trailer up, and I'm gonna get with you in the next one, man. You guys have a good one. Like the video, hit the subscribe. I'm trying to back up, fellas. Like the video, hit the subscribe, man. And if you ain't a subscriber, subscribe to the channel, man. You got plenty more coming. And this is just the beginning, man. Boneyard Lawn Service. You guys have a good one. Keep grinding. Don't give up. Stick to it. And just don't give up, man. Don't give up. Your time will come. My time ain't came, but I believe my time will come. So, have a great one, man. I'll catch you in the next one.
Start smoking.